What's this? What's that? What are you fixing, Seth?
I'm fixing a stick. The big giant stick.
Is this a big giant stick?
Yeah, it is. I'm still fixing it.
Oh, you're so good in fixing it.
Yeah, I'm still fixing it because we can't leave. Because our husband's fixing the stick. I can make it.
What are you making?
I'm making a soup.
You're making a soup?
Yeah, I'm making
Soup for whom? For me?
Yeah, I'm making it. I get out there and I need to fix it. I get out and I need that giant. I need this giant. I need this stick.
No, careful with that. No, you don't do that. Let's go. Oh no, Seth. You're breaking it. You're breaking it. Look, you broke it. Let's go.